Hello YouTube, this is part 2, take 2 of my tire pressure monitoring system, and I did install the sensors, and you know what, all my tire pressures were too low, and I did not even notice because you couldn't see it from the outside. So now you see it's turning on, and I did go through the menu the first video. I thought it would go on again, but let me see. So to get to the menu, you hold the menu button, and this is your first screen, which sets the pressure to bar or psi. To do that, you press the menu button, the center button again. It says bar, and then you can go switch it from bar to psi. You press it again, it stops blinking. You go to the second settings. It goes from 0 to 7, and this one you set the temperature unit temperature, I guess. So you click again, and then you can change from Fahrenheit to Celsius, or the other way around in this case. You go to the next menu, which is max pressure alarm, and 3.2, that's fine with me. So we go to the next one, is low pressure alarm, 1.8, that's fine with me too. And setting 4 was maximum temperature alarm range. It's set to 68 degrees. I have no idea how hot the tire or the air gets. I know Formula 1 tires get way hotter than that, so we'll leave it like that to test it. 5 was tire exchange settings, which I don't know what that is, to be honest. No, I forgot what I started with. I think the screen was blinking, so we'll leave it like that. 6 is sensor matching. So I have, to be honest with you, no clue, because the letters on my sensors are different from that, but we'll leave it like that for now. 7 is vibration wake up test. I did this before, it did work. I don't know how to actually test it, so maybe I have to press the button. Okay. No, it was not. I got out of the menu. So does it have a dim down function? It sure does. Oh, that you can see. Okay, let's go into the menu again. Go backwards. I don't know, nothing's happening. So we go out again, and we got less info than before. Pairing method. For example, pairing number 1, right front sensor, long press M key to enter settings menu. A host, go to menu item 6, press M button, 0 to flash, press right button to flash, yada yada yada. So let's try this. So we go to menu, we go to screen 6, and what do we do? Press M to 0 to flash. It does not. So I know I'm either running out of battery on my phone or something like that. No. M6. Didn't I go there? Yes. What was that? 5. Tire exchange settings. Now we got 2 readings. Actually, I did go and set it to 2.2 bar with this digital tire pressure gauge, so I don't know how accurate this is, but at least they're consistent. So no, second one. Maybe it takes a while to find it. I'm holding it closer to the left rear wheel. Not that I think it's gonna make a difference. So we got 3 out of 2. A host, B host. Okay, let's read B host. Enter setting, press M button 8 times. Great. Front tire display H.E.D.S. Press the right button to change to --. Then built-in pairing method, continuous deflation or inflation operation of the corresponding sensor. External pairing method. Unscrew the sensor and put it back. Internal and external general method. When the above method is unsuccessful. Blah, blah, blah. After entering the matching interface, keep the speed above 30 km per hour and drive for 5 to 15 minutes. Oh, look at that. Houston, we solved the problem by itself. So, well, I guess your mileage will vary, but it does work. So let's actually drive a little and see what happens. Am I still recording? I don't even know. I think I am. So this is the place where I was telling you about that I'm gonna put in. And of course it is kind of low, but you have a audible warning, so I don't have to watch this thing 24/7. I could also put it on here, but as you see my top dash is not straight, so, and I don't want to actually put anything on there, so it's gonna go on here or in here, and that's why I did choose this one. So that's